Welcome to this video covering 10 frequently asked questions on electrical vehicles, offering a technical guide for electrical installations. Do electric vehicles save money? Yes, they lower running costs significantly. The 5-year running cost for a battery electric vehicle is significantly lower than for an internal combustion engine vehicle, primarily due to lower energy costs and maintenance, as well as federal tax credits. What is the real battery range? The real range equals 80% of the WLTP standard. The buffer protects the battery from deep discharge, as vehicles only utilize net capacity. Drivers typically charge at 10% and stop at 80% to preserve battery life. How does cold weather affect electric vehicles? Cold weather reduces battery range by 25% at 4 degrees Celsius. Electric vehicles consume battery energy for heat, unlike ICE vehicles. Smart drivers use seat heaters, which are more efficient, to conserve energy. How long does the battery last? Batteries retain 80% capacity after 200,000 kilometers. The state of health drops during the first 30,000 kilometers as a solid electrolyte interphase layer forms. Manufacturers often provide 8-year or 160,000 kilometer warranties. What are the charging connector types? Vehicles use Type 2 for AC charging, which is typical for home and work charging. CCS and CHAdeMO are used for DC fast charging on highways or for legacy fast charging. How do charging rates work? Public rates use a time-of-use pricing stack. The grid typically charges less during solar hours and more during non-solar hours, reflecting the average cost of supply, ACOS, plus service charges and GST. Can I drive an electric vehicle in rural areas? Yes, but rural drivers must manage energy and plan routes carefully. Heavy trailers can reduce vehicle range by 50%. A standard 10-amp household socket provides an emergency charging fallback. Are electric vehicle fires a major risk? Electric vehicles are 60 times less likely to burn than gas vehicles. While EV fires involve thermal runaway, fire departments use specialized equipment like isolator blankets and water mist lances. Will electric vehicles overwhelm the power grid? A full EV transition requires only 3% more total electricity. Smart software schedules vehicle charging during off-peak hours, balancing the baseline load and preventing grid overload. What is bidirectional charging, or V2G? Bidirectional charging turns parked cars into virtual power plants. The car can sell energy back to the grid, and the home can consume battery energy during peak hours, facilitated by the wallbox converting DC to AC power. Electric vehicles break even on emissions and recycle cleanly. The environmental life cycle includes initial manufacturing emissions, zero operational emissions, a second life for the battery and grid storage, and eventual recycling of materials like lithium and nickel. Home V2G charging requires a verified 11 kilowatts 3-phase connection. The electrical installation checklist involves the electrician verifying existing wiring and the homeowner installing a dedicated circuit. It also requires an intelligent home energy management system and a smart meter for bidirectional billing. To summarize, let's look at myth versus engineering reality. The reality is that EV batteries sustain 300,000 kilometers of life. EVs demand only a 3% total electricity increase, and they are 60 times safer than gas vehicles. The electric vehicle acts as a mobile battery storage unit, saving drivers capital and stabilizing power grid loads. The electrical installation is the foundation for this future.